How to enable two-factor authentication on PNC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your PNC account using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon and then select customer service. And here under that, you can just tap on the security settings and choose two-step verification or additional sign-on security. And after that, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to enroll your phone number for text or voice verification. And here you just need to enter the verification code sent to your phone to complete the setup. And once you're done with that, PNC will send you a one-time code anytime you log in from an unrecognized device. And that's it. That's how you can enable two-factor authentication on your PNC account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.